Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Starlight Essence in Archero 2. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to use Starlight Essence in Archero 2 and how it fits into your talent progression. Starlight Essence is specifically used to upgrade core talents, which are located at the bottom of the skill tree and provide powerful boosts to your overall damage output. To reach this talent, you'll need to progress carefully through the tree by spending crystals as required to unlock each category. A common strategy is to fully upgrade your main active talent, invest 1 or 2 points into the secondary active talent, and place only the minimum required points into triggered talents to access the enhanced tier. From there, focus on enhanced talents until the core talents become available. Once unlocked, prioritize upgrading the core or capstone skills as they offer the most significant impact on performance. Any remaining crystals can then be allocated to secondary active, enhance, or trigger talents. Overall, Starlight Essence function as a key upgrade material designed to help you unlock and strengthen the most impactful talents in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.